Bonjour, welcome to my channel. My name is Prashant and in today's class, I'll be teaching you the basics of French language. So if you're a complete beginner with no prior knowledge of French, this video would be very useful for you. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, we'll learn to say hello in French. Now, how do we say hello? There are two ways of saying hello. One is the formal one and one is the informal one. In the formal way, in the formal method, we say bonjour, whereas in the informal method, we say salut. We say bonjour to someone we don't know. For example, greeting our boss, your boss at the first day of work, because you don't know them. As you don't know them, you would say bonjour. And salute, we say to someone whom we already know. For example, a friend. So this is the difference between bonjour and salute. Hope you have understood the difference. Next, we'll learn how to introduce ourselves in French. How will we do that? First, we'll say our name. So the way of introducing yourself first by saying your name is Je m'appelle, which means my name is, in my case, it's Prashant. So Je m'appelle Prashant, which means my name is Prashant. If you want to say where you live, your address, for example, the city where you live, you have to say J'habite à. In my case, it's Delhi, so J'habite à Delhi. Then, if you want to say how many languages you speak, you would say Je parle Hindi, Anglais et Français, which means I speak English, Hindi and French. And lastly, if you want to say, talk about your profession, what you do, you would say je suis. I've just taken an example of médecin, which means doctor. So this would be je suis médecin, I am doctor. So that is it for today. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you are a complete beginner and want to pass the beginners level French exam, which is the DELF A1, then you should be watching the videos that I would be posting on a regular basis. And if you would like me to cover up any topic, any doubts that you have in your mind, you can let me know in the comments and I'll try to cover it up in the coming classes. So that is it for today and I'll see you in my next class. Au revoir.